Welcome, here I've got OnePlus 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner and pick this button. Here we get access to the settings, so when we tap on it we can open more advanced camera options. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we have the grid option, so let's tap on it. And now we can pick between 3 options with the grid lines: 3 and 3, 4 and 4 and golden ratio. Let's stay on 3 and 3 and let's go back now to the camera preview. As you can see, here we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography. Let's tap again to the right corner and the settings, slide down to the general, pick the grid and change them to 4 and 4. And in the preview we can see that now we have more of them. This is also useful when we want to make experiments with composition in photography. Once again, let's tap to the right corner to the settings, slide down to the general, pick the grid and change them to golden ratio. And when we go back to the preview, now we have this kind of look. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right to the gallery button, we can't see them at the real photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we can tap to the right corner once again to the settings, slide down to the general category, pick the grid and change them to none. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.